So Mayur, now how do you see share market after so many years of experience or months of experience share market?
I have only 9 to 10 months experience, not more
Hmm.
than. But I have started. So how first we understand that the share market is not a gambling. It's a you invest in company, then company will use your money to produce some products and getting orders and making production. So the main thing is the share market in investing in money is only for support the company also, and then company will get order and fulfill their orders, making a production. So after that company earn profit, they share our they share uh, uh, they share a profit to all shareholders. So not only all companies are profitable, but some companies are non-profitable also. So we decided which company, which sector will provide a good profit. So we make study for this all over the companies, and which company will profitable and which company is non-profitable.
What are your views about the people who don't study share market and directly invest their money?
Normally, people are learning from others and taking tips from message and internet and YouTube, watching these videos about the profit, double, triple profit, and they don't know what is the company's production, their manufacturing process, and how much their debts on company. They only invest in, and after that sometimes they company will loss, and they don't know how to exit. They only think that the company will cover their price, but it's not good for uh, shareholders to wait. If company is losing 5 to 10 to 30% dip their share market price. So people know the how they exist.
Okay, understood. So Mayur, uh, how the various types of institutions play a role in this share market? Means like there are institutions who train people how to invest in share market.
Some institutions are fake because they don't know how to earn. They only get money from their candidates. But some institutions are so good. They they teach we how to take a point, how to study the company's portfolio and their productions materials, and uh, how much their market share capability, and their orders, and when the entry will come in these shares, and in how to invest. Some institution give a good knowledge about that. Their aims also, they also earn their money, and they also get money from their candidates, and candidates also get the money after they invest. They teach everyone.
So what are the ways to improve the knowledge of share market?
Sorry.
What are the ways to improve the knowledge in share market?
Watching share markets channels, and there is so many apps there, and
Which are those apps?
uh, money control, Upstocks, and TradeView, and watching the Z Business and CNNBC business channels. They upgrade their your knowledge. They also, if any company's new order and any problem also, and the company also get any profit, they also give the news. So we want to look when the market is start in 9 a.m. to say 3:30 p.m. We continues to focus on these channels. If any news gets, and your share also increase or decrease, it's happen on only all news, because we don't know how these shares, the company's price rise or fall. If news is come from this company, the share price also rise and drop. So we continues watching this channel when we
Okay,
trade.
understood.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Bhageshri.
Sir, I have a question to MK. He said that for share learning about share market, you watch videos or watch some apps. But in their videos, they show us a chart or a tree chart or a graph. For I saw many times this graphs, but I don't understand what they show about the graphs. That's for we learning the basic things, not only the watch TV or watch apps. Because of there are so many short names, or uh, so many shortcuts, or so many companies are in share market, and I don't understand that the graph. So what do you think about that?
Mayur.
The only way to learn, because now if nobody gets fast, first you have to watch continuously and understand they what they say, what they said, and the practice will be on money control apps. You can see there any video of the YouTube, which draft, which diagrams are there. They tell which companies. You can search their money control when companies names they said, and taking if continuous you watch, you understand how to trade there.
Okay, means in just one snapshot, you can't understand everything. You will have to go in detail and understand the things.
Yes, yes. You
Hmm.
have to give, you
Okay.
have to give time
Okay.
to 3 to 4 months, 6 months.
Okay.
After that, you are normal 5 to 10% you understand. After that, you
What
give.
can you tell to the people who are negative about share market?
Sorry, what you say?
What can you suggest to the people who are negative about the share market?
I have suggested there is no gambling. There is only, you can study well how to invest in which company you can get profit. It is not a gambling. It's only you study. If somebody get if somebody give you tips and you invest, and you have to know about the company's production and their capacity, and you invest, you always get a loss. So first you have to study whole company's portfolio, where they invest, which order they get. So you have to uh, learn about first things in invest.
Okay, understood. Means you want to say that there are various players in the market in every field. In every field, there are good people and bad people also. Bad people fool the customers, and good people bring them up in their field to the customers, especially. So they give quality and all those things, good education, like this. You want to say?
Yes, yes. There are lot of people. They can cheat also. They give you attraction, or they give, they said you get more money if you invest this share, but you have to study about this company share.
Okay, Mayur. Thank you for joining with us. Very good.